Stop scrolling, I'm about to upgrade your brain. I bet you've never seen memory training like this. You're about to learn the memory trick that rewires your brain and into a memory powerhouse. Don't forget numbers, this is what happens when you train your brain the right way. Watch closely, I'm giving you a superhuman brain using O3 and a lithium charge. Numbers don't stick because they're boring. But when you turn them into people with personality, everything becomes easier with speed, precision, and creative power. You take any pair of digits and convert them into a person with one action and one object. C3PO changes battery. Your brain remembers characters and stories far better than raw digits. Teachers hate how simple this memory technique is. This coding system was developed by Dominic O'Brien, the 8-time world memory champion. Many numbers follow the alphabet. 0 is O, 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, 4 is D, 5 is E, 6 is S, 7 is G, 8 is H, and 9 is N. Note that the numbers 0, 6 and 9 do not follow the alphabet pattern. Exceptions to the Dominic System rules. You can break the rules when the memory becomes stronger. Example, O3 is OC is C3PO because it sounds and has C, 3, and O. C3PO changes battery. Once you assign a person to a number, it never changes. Do you have 03OC visualized? Say it out loud. Person, action, object. C3PO changes battery. Good, you are charging up your memory. Build a memory that feels cinematic, structured, and unshakable. Hit like, subscribe, and follow this full Dominic System journey from 0 to 99. The decade theme, 03OC is part of the awakening decade. 00 to 09 awakening decade. The dawn of memory begins here, where light breaks, and curiosity awakens, and your recall power comes to life. Your brain is built for faces, motion, emotion, and story. What to do next? Start practicing. C03? You'll remember it forever once you see C3PO replacing the battery. Subscribe now to charge up your entire memory. Which number from 0 to 99 would you like to master, and what element do you think it belongs to? Comment below. Take a moment right now, number 03, visualize C3PO, feel the action, hold the object, and place it inside its lithium element location. Lock it in. Your memory just got stronger. What you saw today is the doorway.
The real transformation begins when you walk through the door, one P, A, O at a time.